In this video, we will show you how to install XAMPP on Windows. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Download XAMPP. Then, click on the Download XAMPP website. Next, click the Download button for the latest version. Wait until the download process is complete. After that, open the Downloads folder. Right-click the XAMPP Windows installer file and select Run as Administrator. If a warning appears, click OK. Then, follow the installation steps as shown in the video. Once the installation is complete, uncheck the option "Do you want to start the control panel now?" and click Finish. Finally, to make it easier to access, search for XAMPP Control Panel using the search menu. And select Pin to Taskbar. Now, XAMPP is available on your taskbar. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section.